Okay, I'm actually quite excited because today I got a Mr. Beauty box from Liquidation Store. They carry different brands that have excess of stock, or if a brand is changing the packaging, they need to get rid of the old packaging stock. So that's what they buy of brands and sell it in those mystery boxes. This cost me £30, so I really hope it's worth it. Let's just get to it. Let's do it. Oh, okay. First, brow soap and mist kit. I'm guessing this is to clean your eyebrows. Have a quick look at actually. Can imagine how to look. This one. Okay. Okay. So it's a little product there. This, I'm guessing, it's a mirror. Yeah, a mirror with some balm. Lovely. And yeah, and a little brush. Brow spray mist. It's interesting. So that's the first impact. Brow soap. It's a little card. What's this? Oh, acne patches. They look like they are with green leaves. Let's keep it at that. There's one. There's another one. Okay, so it's a couple of those. Lovely patches. Now what do we have? Evenstone Tone Clean. Oh, Tone and Haze actually. For uneven skin tones. By the brand Indeed Laboratories. Let's have a look inside. Pepta Bright Moisturizing Cream Serum. That actually looks interesting. I'll give it a go. I have a little sample. Retexturizing Mask by Pietro Simon. Next, nail polish by Wow. Probably not my thing. Then we have Wow Matte Lipstick. That looks inside. I'll try this side actually from the bottom. It's usually easier, not this time. Number 49 matte lipstick. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. That's an interesting shade. A little bit of a purpley, blueberry. Probably not for my skin tone, but let's see. Then I have Christopher Robin Color Shield Mask for my hair. Definitely using that. It's a full-size product as well. Another one, Christopher Robin Shampoo. This is a small one. It's 75 ml, but it's good to take with you when you're going away on holidays. Then we have SPA. Oh, cleansing bar. So I'm guessing it's like a soap bar for your face. Yeah, it smells nice. Smells like spa. Okay, next thing. Let's see what that is. Aha. Foundation by Revolution Fair Skin. I was asked to pick up the skin color when ordering, so I'm guessing if you pick a darker skin tone, you'll get darker one of those foundations, or a different one. Then I have another retexturizing mask sample. Now this Mio. I had something from this company when I was pregnant. It was quite good. Good scrub for the belly. But this is body scrub, sugar scrub. Let's have a look inside. Massive product. Have a look. Okay, it's sealed. I can already smell that it's sort of like a delicious orange smell. Looks nice. Looks like it has some shimmer to it as well. Good for summer. And just gonna put this back. And the last but not least, I hope. Oh, micro exfoliation cleanser by Doctor's Dermatology formula. So this is anti-aging restorative product, so definitely going to give it a try. I'm not gonna open this in foil, but yeah, it looks good. So altogether, what I got was those products. So these are the full-sized products. That is full size, and a couple of samples in this little one. But overall, it's like, let's say 11 products, 2 samples. I would say it's pretty good. Pretty good deal. I actually went online to see how much all of this is worth. Some things were easy to find, other things were a bit more tricky. So let's start with the easy prices. So Christopher Robin, both items are still on their website. The Pure Fang shampoo with thermal mud, 75 ml, is £13 for this little bottle. And the Colored Shield mask with, I hope I say it right, Kami berries, is £32 for this top. So this product alone paid for the whole box already. Then we have Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. This particular shade, £11.23 on makeup.uk. Other shades I've seen were slightly cheaper at around £5 more. Next we have DDF Advanced Micro Exfoliation Cleanser. And this top costs £46 at Strawberry Net. Next, Mio Skincare Solar Power Body Scrub. This big tub is £23 at Cold Beauty. And Indeed Labs Pepta Bright 30ml tub is £24.99 at Look Fantastic. Next, it gets a little bit more tricky as I couldn't find the exact prices for those products. Let's start with Chalk Beauty CBD oil infused spot patches. The 2-pack on Amazon for £17.90, which means 1 pack would be £8.95. I could only find the ESPA soap bar sold in bulk by resellers. So just based on that little gift set sold on eBay, I wouldn't say it's worth more than £2 in retail. Next we got Pietro Simone Skincare Act A Retexturizing Mask Complex, and full-size jar of this mask retails at £75, which means each 3ml sample that I got would be worth £4.50. Now on to Wow London. If you like budget-friendly cosmetics, you probably are familiar with this brand. It was exclusively available on everything5pounds.com, which earlier this year changed into everything.com. And if I'm correct, since then stopped trading. So any product from this brand is now only available from resellers. So the prices are not really adequate. So I'll just count those as £1 each because I'm not really sure what the prices are of those. So my approximate retail value for this set is £173, and I only paid £29.99. So overall, it's a very good deal, and if you're interested in any of those products, I will drop a link to this beauty box in the comments. And if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And watch my other videos of unboxing beauty boxes. Thanks a lot!